On-page versus off-page SEO. Search engine optimization encompasses two practices: on-page SEO, optimizing your website itself, and off-page SEO, increasing external signals to impact your site's authority. Both practices can help to gain traffic from search engines, but according to Search Engine Journal, links are important, but the biggest bang for most companies' SEO bucks is ongoing on-page optimization. Even Google tells us that to achieve big SEO results, we can start with small, simple changes to a site. This is Google's approach to managing their own 7,000 websites. There are plenty of other ways to drive traffic to your website. Paid media, social posts, and display advertising are just a few. But, when done well, SEO can provide an important and cost-effective strategy for organic growth. So before you start increasing your site's authority with links, reviews, citations, and other off-page best practices, use the Squarespace SEO checklist below to make sure your website is search-friendly. Want personalized SEO training? A customized SEO training session quickly increases your working knowledge. We teach you common-sense ethical SEO best practices while making live updates to your website. Move forward with confidence. Learn more about our approach. Schedule training. Is Squarespace SEO friendly? Yes. Here's a few SEO benefits that are built into the Squarespace platform. Squarespace SEO Sitemaps. Squarespace sites come with an automatic XML sitemap. Your sitemap stays current and includes all your page URLs and image metadata for SEO-friendly indexing. Read what Google says about sitemaps. Ssl Certificates. Squarespace offers free Ssl certificates to all customers. Your site visitors get a secure connection on every page of your site. Google rewards you for adopting HTTPS. Mobile-friendly. All Squarespace themes are responsive. Your content and images are automatically resized to fit different devices and screen widths. A mobile-friendly site is critical for Google. Clean HTML and URLs. Your HTML markup and URLs are easily indexed. If you are considering moving to Squarespace, learn about Squarespace pricing plans to discover which one is best suited to your business. Did you know? If you are moving from WordPress to Squarespace, you will not find a Yoast for Squarespace or a SEO plugin for Squarespace. How to do SEO on Squarespace. Step 1. Do keyword research. Before you do anything else, consider your keywords. Keyword or key phrase research is a valid way to help optimize your site because you will discover related topics and user questions. Modern SEO is more about topic optimization and searcher intent than simple keywords. Keyword research. Make a list of the keywords you want a topic page to target. If the keywords are extremely similar, then choose one word or phrase to represent similar keywords. Search for your topics on Google and look at your competition to assess the difficulty of ranking. The stronger the competition, the harder it will be for you to rank above them. Consider your competition's popularity, authority, backlinks, and social signals. Be careful not to over-optimize a page, as this might have a negative impact. You might use a keyword in the title tag, once in a header, and a few times in the main content. There isn't an exact keyword density that you should be using. A recommendation is to write first, then review your copy for keywords and related terms. One of the first questions people tend to ask is, where do I put keywords on Squarespace? But it isn't quite this simple. Sure, there are important places to use keywords, see below, but SEO is not just inserting a list of keywords and calling it a day. What you should ask is, does my content satisfy the user's intent? Related resource / how to find keywords. Step 2. Offer high-quality content. Search engine algorithms continue to become more sophisticated, so providing quality content is one of the most important factors to rank in search. You must provide exceptional, unique content that answers the questions of your potential customers. According to Search Engine Journal, the sites that provided exceptional depth and quality content coverage literally soared in rankings throughout the year. Sites that were weaker in their content depth suffered in comparison. Behind every successful SEO campaign is a solid content strategy emphasizing top-notch content. So, as Google gets better at providing relevant search results, what can you do? Squarespace blogging for SEO. Write content that addresses searcher intent. Write as naturally possible. Do not overuse one word or phrase in your content, instead, use many phrases and concepts that are associated with your main topic. Focus on quality over quantity. Again, when you focus on your readers, this will provide search engines with enough information to know what a page is about. The content on your website is a large factor in ranking, so it is critical that you put effort into it. Did you know? Less is more. If you have many pages of poor quality, you will dilute your overall domain authority. Keep your content rich. When appropriate, combine your content into fewer pages. Related resource / how to write blogs that rank.